Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram picture after posting. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button, here it is. After that you need to click on any post you want. And then if you want to change picture, you can try to click on the three dots at the top right corner, here it is. And then in this list of options you can click on the edit button right up here. After that, as you can see, you can change description, you can click on tag people and tag some people if you want. You can edit alt text if you want, but actually there is no option to change picture. So the only one way how you can change picture is to click on the three dots again and then delete this post. After that you need to repost with all the corrections you want. So, and that's all, and that's how to change Instagram picture after posting. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.